Guru Scott here. Thank you for these wonderful comments. While I'm not hip with the youth language, I assume by the D, you mean the divine. I would love to give your wife the D. I would love to give you the D. I would love to give your whole family the D. But the truth is, the D is already inside of you.
Are you a soldier?
Mm-hmm.
One day, I'm going to be a soldier.
Really?
Well, no, not really. Father says I don't have the balls to be a soldier. I was so angry, but he was right. I'm a fucking pretty princess. He saw a girl beat my goddamn asshole. Oh, hey, Grace.
Hey, bitch.
Guard, did you see that? I was a little pussy. Now, where's my purse? Hey, get away from my husband.
Guess what? Fuck you, that's what.
10,000 years of evolution and this. Pathetic.
Oh yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I don't want to have to tell you again. Get the hell out of here, alright? Get out of here, you son of a bitch! Get out of here!
Nicolas, cuidado aí! Moleque!
Really good at aiming this. Let me see if I can hit this pot up here. First try. Oh no. I missed.
I'm pushing the 97 Ford Explorer up this bitch. Oh, dang. Look here. You gonna have to get a tow truck and get your big ass up there or something. God damn. You gonna knock me out my goddamn sketch. I'm gonna end up in the hospital with.
Oh, it's good.
Hi.
I don't want to be rude in any way. Do you have do you go by any type of pronouns or something?
Pretty much. I go by they, them.
They, them.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what neopronouns are?
Mm-hmm.
So I go by neopronouns. I go by Nick, like the name Nick, or like GA, like Guh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I was to refer to you, I would refer to you as they, them, and if you were to refer to me, it would be
Nick.
yeah. So a lot of people, a lot of people actually forget my pronouns. So I have this exercise that I do. We basically repeat our pronouns. So for you, I go they, them, they, them, they, them, and then you, for me, you'd go
Nick, 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 Nick.
woo! You got it. Can you say my pronouns and say in Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like my pronouns in Paris, like that.
Okay. So Nick and Paris.
Yeah. Oh, I appreciate it.
Mhm.
All right. Have a nice one again.
You too.
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at?